Khairi, Safety Head Officer. So this is our site, generator set room. So this is a major problem that you need. Yes, that this is place you need to maintain. So before you enter this room, you should wearing PHP, personal hearing protection, and you should do your job according to procedure. Okay, Mr. Irfan, this is Mr. Shah, my assistant.
Yeah, Mr. Jeff, this is the PHP you have to wear when you enter there. Thank you.
Here on site, I will interview the safety head officer about what happened here. Can you tell what happened here?
Actually, the judgment has exposed to the excessive noise, which is greater than 85 decibel, and he suffered hearing impairment and lead to the accident occur.
Can you tell what are the preventive measures that can be taken by workers and employers to avoid any accident or injury?
Firstly, the worker should follow the guideline and SOP from the noise competent person. Secondly, the employer shall provide PHP, personal hearing protector, to worker and ensure the worker to wearing the protector during working in working area.